All right, how do you make money in the stock market? It's one of those questions that have been perplexing traders for hundreds of years. And I'm gonna give you 4 good ways that you can make money on a regular and consistent basis. The first reason, buying before everybody else buys and selling before everybody else sells. What do I mean by that? It means that when you're getting into a trade, you're getting in before it's made a 5 or 10 or 15% move. And when you're selling, you're getting out before it's made a 5%, 10% or 15% move against you. Essentially, you want to get into stocks before the big move happens. So you want to get at the ground floor. You don't want to wait for the stock to make a big move for you to finally realize, hey, it's making a move, I need to get in. Instead, you want to have faith in your methods and faith in your strategy that says, okay, if this happens, then I get long. And what you want to do is you want to get in before it actually makes the move. On the sell side, you don't want to wait for the stock to start selling off before you finally realize it's probably a good time to get out. That makes you a bag holder because while you're holding the bag, everybody else is getting out. And you don't want to be a bag holder. So sell before the crowd starts to dump the stock. Number 2, let your winners run, cut your losers short. Sounds easy in theory, but not always easy in practice. What do I mean by that? That means before you get into the trade, know where you are going to get out of the trade. You don't let the stock run against your position and then take a big loss and all of a sudden you've lost big. Same way with the winning trades. When the stock keeps going up, you keep raising that stop loss as it goes. You let it run as long as it wants, as high as it can go, and you trail the stock trade with a stop loss. Number 3, the risk-reward ratio. Now this is one of the most important aspects of trading because if you don't have a good risk-to-reward ratio, you're going to fail as a trader. That means for every $2 you make in profit, you need to be making no more than $1 in losses on your trades. So if you have a 50% winning percentage, and that's what we at least should be trying to attain for, because anything less is makes it much more difficult to profit in the stock market. So for your winning trades, you want to be making $2 at least for every $1 that you lose. And by doing that, you have to go back to point number 2 and let your winners run and cut your losers short. You cannot hold on to a losing trade. You have to cut them out of your portfolio. And when that happens, you're able to have a really good risk-reward ratio. Now, point number 4 is about the winning percentage. And why is that so important? It's because having consistent and regular wins makes it a lot easier for you to have a 2-to-1 risk-reward ratio and still be very profitable in the stock market. Because if you only have a 25% winning percentage, that means for every $1 that you lose on a trade, you have to make $3 up on your winning trades because you're not winning enough. And so if you're not winning enough, it means that your winners have to be even that much bigger than your losing trades, and it makes that much more difficult for you to succeed in the stock market. So wrapping it up, you've got to have a good winning percentage because your winning percentage is going to dictate what kind of risk reward you need to have on your trades. And when you have a good risk reward on your trades, that means you're letting your winners run and you're cutting your losers short. And by doing that, you have to be getting in before everybody else gets in, and you have to be getting out before everybody else gets out. I hope this helps. These are 4 ways that you can really make a huge difference in your trading portfolio and your trading strategy. Implement them, and I'm telling you, you will see the difference in your profits. I also like to encourage you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and leave any comments below if you have any questions, or email me, Ryan@shareplanner.com. Thank you.